Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Yuncool neck massage pillow. It's an inflatable and foldable shiatsu massager for our neck, for our shoulders, for our waist, and our back and leg. We have a deep tissue, 3D kneading relieves muscles, Soreness in for the at home, for office, or for travel because it works mobile. We have a U-shaped design and an ergonomic curve design. The more comfortable neck pillow massager can perfectly adapt to the curvature of our spine to provide 360 degrees all around head and neck support to prevent fatigue caused by pressure. The rope with the lock can be adjusted to different neck sizes. And we have a deep tissue massage here with two levels, high and low. This meets different needs. We have two sides, 3 massage heads, and precisely aligned to the neck points. It can be used to promote the blood circulation, relieve swelling and pressure better than a standard way, because it's the massage way. And we have a 15-minute timing function. With a smart 15-minute timing protection, we can easily relieve the neck pain and at the same time avoid a too long massage time. And inflatable and of course foldable. This massage pillow here is equipped with an inflatable valve and a bottom that we can press, and we are going to use it's a pump to inflate with only one hand, with a storage bag included. It's portable and easy to store. It provides a great relaxing massage anytime and anywhere. This is an ideal travel companion. And we have a washable cushion cover. The removable outer cover is machine washable, easy to clean and easy to maintain. It's a comfortable travel neck pillow with massage made of suede microfiber fox suede and pleasantly soft to the touch, extremely durable due to the high absorbent resistance. To ensure the correct and safe use, we have to look if our experience any discomfort at the beginning or during the use, we stop using the massage immediately and remove it. But that's not often. You will feel it is a good condition. It is a good feeling. We do not have contact with sharp objects or knives, tips during use, because there's a pressure in it, inflatable pressure, and of course, if we are going to cut this, it will be damaged. We do not use hard things to squeeze, otherwise there's a chance of air leakage. This affects the use, of course. The massager can be switched between high and low massage modes. During use, a pause when the switching mode is normal. The massager should not be dropped or squeezed hard. We do not use on areas where a surgery has been performed. If necessary, we follow medical advice. We do not use on skin damage, swelling or inflammations, etc. Patients suffering from heart diseases, acute illness, skin disease, malignant tumor, and physical abnormalities should use this product properly according to medical advice too. We do not use without permission if we are physically or mentally impaired, and follow medical advice if we need to use it. We do not use it for patients with blood circulation disorders, blood diseases with bleeding tendons, osteoporosis, soft tissue diseases, or stroke. This product is an electric health product and is not intended for diagnostics, therapeutic, or other commercial use. This product is also contraindicated for the chronically ill, pregnant woman, and menstruation woman. We do not use it while driving and observe the safe driving norms. But if we are a passenger, that's no problem. The materials are ABS, TPU, and fabric. The voltage is 5 volt, so we can reload it on each computer, laptop, or USB socket. There is a built-in lithium battery with 3.7 volt and 2000 ampere hours. Fully charged time is about 2 up to 3.5 hours with a 5 volt 1 ampere adapter. Normal use about 2 hours. Then we have to reload it. The timer is 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we should make a break and then we can perform another round. We have easily to press to inflate. We can massage our neck. It's a comfortable massage. The product can be inflated through the inflatable airbag. When not in use, we can deflate through the deflation piston. Easy to store and carry it is. Replacing the massage on the neck when it is filled, which can feel the 3D surround support, and alleviate the neck fatigue. The products with massage movement, 3-point double-headed massage head, simultaneously of human hands, pushing and kneading on both sides of the neck. Acupuncture point massage is conductive to promotion the blood circulation in the neck and it reduces the neck fatigue. On this bag we have a valve cover. This valve cover we have to use to get in and let in the airflow. We have a rotatable vent piston, and this you can use to switch on and to switch off the valve. We have the inflatable airbag next to it. With this and our fingers or hand we can inflate it. And we have on the other side a function button. The function button is really easy. Press and hold it for approximately 3 seconds, it will switch on. Perform the same to switch it off. If you pushed once, it will go to step number 2. If you push again, it will go to step number 1. When the massage is finished using, we press the function button to close the massager. We open the air valve cover and we rotate the rotary deflation piston to the on position to deflate, and the air in the supported skeleton can be removed in a few seconds. After the air is expelled, the massager can be folded and put into storage bag for carrying. It's easy. The function button is our key to this product. First long press, it will turn on. If we make a second press, then high intensity mode. A third long press will turn it off. We have a timer function of 15 minutes. During in use, the support skeleton of the massager is softness and hardness. It can be freely adjusted according to the needs of the user itself. And so you can see it's really easy and comfortable. This is the Yuncool neck massager pillow. It's an inflatable and foldable shiatsu massager for our neck, shoulder, waist, back and leg. For a deep tissue 3D kneading that relieves our muscle soreness in the office or travel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.